Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody asked me a really good question. They're trying to draw a rectangle. They want to make it a ½ inch. And then they go up here to the ratio and they round it 1 inch. But that's not what they want. They want the outside line curved, but the inside line not. Well, two ways we could do that. Draw a rectangle, turn it into that ½ inch, and then go object, convert the outline to an object, and then left click, right click. Now this is still one curve. Go up to object and break the curve apart. Grab your outside one, and you can see because we can move it. Go up to Windows, Dockers, and Corners, and put 1 inch. I don't really know when you would, maybe 1 inch is too much. Maybe, I don't know, what he's trying to do. A lot of times you have to back up to change it. Now we can go to a ½ inch. And that doesn't look too bad. So that's one way to do it. And probably just as fast, if not faster, would be to take your rectangle, go up to Effects and Contour to the inside 0.5 of an inch, break the contour apart, and now you have separate lines, and you can go and now do the corners at a ½ inch. Get the same result. A lot of times, well, they're both ½ inch, if that's what you want, or 1 inch or whatever, because we contoured a ½ inch and we made the line a ½ inch line, and when we turn it into an outline, it's a ½ inch. So that's how I would do it. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.